Do you know that 1 in every 10 individuals over the age of 65 is living with Alzheimer's disease? That's a startling statistic that brings home the reality of this widespread condition. Alzheimer's disease, a form of dementia, is a progressive disorder that attacks the brain's nerve cells or neurons, resulting in loss of memory, thinking and language skills, and behavioral changes. Alzheimer's disease is a complex condition that affects the brain. It's not caused by a single factor, but a series of changes that occur in the brain over time. Alzheimer is thought to be caused by the formation of abnormal deposits of protein in the brain. These are called plaques and tangles, and they are made up of 2 key proteins, amyloid and tau. Amyloid and tau are present in healthy brains, but in Alzheimer's disease they function abnormally. Amyloid forms plaques outside cells and tau forms tangles inside them. These plaques and tangles disrupt the signals between nerve cells and damage them, causing them to die. When lots of cells die, this causes the brain to shrink. This disruption leads to the symptoms of Alzheimer's, including memory loss, confusion, and changes in mood and behavior. Understanding how Alzheimer's happens is the first step towards finding effective treatments. And with the help of ongoing research, we're making strides in that direction every day. But what if there was a way to identify those at risk earlier? To intervene before the disease takes hold? New discoveries in the field of genetics are offering a glimmer of hope in the fight against Alzheimer's. Scientists from Spain and Harvard Medical School in Massachusetts have identified a new genetic form of Alzheimer's disease linked to the APOE4 gene variant. This discovery is significant because individuals with 2 copies of APOE4 are almost certain to develop Alzheimer's, and they often show signs of the disease earlier than those with other gene variants. This revelation underscores the importance of early intervention for APOE4 carriers and opens up new avenues for specialized treatment and prevention strategies. The study, which is based on data from over 10,000 individuals, suggests a potential shift towards genetic considerations in Alzheimer's disease management and treatment planning. The impact of Alzheimer's disease extends beyond the individual to their families and communities. It's a public health crisis that affects millions of people worldwide. Current treatments for Alzheimer's disease can temporarily slow the worsening of symptoms and improve quality of life for those with Alzheimer's and their caregivers. But there is no cure for the disease. These treatments include cholinesterase inhibitors that work by boosting levels of a cell-to-cell communication chemical depleted in the brain by Alzheimer's disease, and a drug known as memantine that regulates the activity of glutamate, a different cell-to-cell communication chemical. While these treatments can provide some relief, they are not a cure, and their effectiveness varies from person to person. They can slow down symptoms, but ultimately, they cannot stop the disease from progressing. This is why the recent genetic discovery is so important. It offers a chance for early detection and intervention, possibly even before symptoms appear. It gives us a new tool to fight against Alzheimer's, and it offers hope to those at risk. Remember, sharing knowledge is a powerful tool in the fight against Alzheimer's disease. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread awareness about Alzheimer's disease, its impact, the current treatments, and the promising new genetic discovery. You can be part of the solution. Share this video and help spread the word about the fight against Alzheimer's.